Did you know you can easily boost your manufacturing leads without spending a dime? If you're a manufacturing business owner, you need to know how to attract high-value leads. Let's dive in. Online lead generation is a game changer for manufacturing firms. Here are 4 powerful steps to generate leads for free. Step 1. Optimize your website for search engines. Use relevant keywords that your ideal clients are searching for. This will boost your search rankings significantly. Step 2. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Share engaging and informative content about your products and services. It's a fantastic way to attract potential clients. Step 3. Embrace email marketing. Send out newsletters packed with valuable info and exclusive offers. Keep your audience engaged. Step 4. Utilize digital marketing tools like SEO frameworks. These tools help you track and refine your strategies, bringing in more leads. Bigpage can assist your company in growing digitally with these steps. Start generating high-value leads today. Are you ready to get started? Like, share, and subscribe for more useful content.